Hey everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. Just wanted to show you this amazing fountain that costs nothing for the homeowner to run in terms of electricity, because a little bit about the fountain here. The fountain, this is a copper fountain, or excuse me, brass fountain, and it's actually mounted on a century-old bird bath at a historical house right now. So what we did was we built an infrastructure beneath with EPDM pond liner, and there's a pump that's a solar-powered pump. It's connected to a couple of solar panels, and so the pump's inside of here and inside of water, and it pushes water up, and then the water goes back down, and the solar panels are right here, mounted in the sun. That's the Pacific Ocean. We're a couple blocks away from we're in a town called Hermosa Beach. Mounted the solar panels, and we have this gorgeous fountain. I'm at a historical house, so this fountain is actually part of the bottom garden here. So it's actually a award-winning garden a few years ago. One of my favorite trees. It's the Arbutus marina. And then you can see as we move over, the moving part of this garden is this Pollinator fountain, we affectionately call it, because it actually feeds the pollinators, the birds and the butterflies. It gives them a drink of water when they need it. There it is. Sun-powered, solar-powered, and it goes down, and then it just recycles the same water over and over and over again. Anyway, just wanted to share this with you, that if there's no electricity, not a problem. You can have your water feature regardless of whether there's electricity or not. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Take care.